Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Vlogmas Day 5 and today I thought it'd be fun to show you how I do my press-on nails. Currently my nails are looking real sad. This is something I like to do on like a weekly, bi-weekly basis. Make sure you subscribe, and if you want to see more on this makeup look, go ahead and watch Vlogmas Day 1. I basically replicated the look minus the glitter. So without further ado, let's hop in to the tutorial. You're going to want to start with nails that have no nail polish on them, no nail strengthener, nothing like that. For best results, you want to have no residue on your nails. What you are going to need is a buffer, a nail file, the press-on nails of your choice, and a nail glue. This is a glass nail file from Amazon, and this is a nail buffer. This one's really old, it's on its way out. I need to get a replacement. I've already buffed this hand to save some time, but I'm gonna show you how I buff. This is a 7-sided buffer. You can get these anywhere, Target, Ulta, wherever, any drugstore. Anything with multiple options for buffing is great. So we're gonna go ahead and fix up the nails on this side. Just turn down the brightness a little bit. Clearly, I am a fan of press-ons. Big fan of the Impress line. You can find this at any drugstore. They have so many different styles, shapes, textures, and nail art designs. What I like about the Impress ones is that they have names, so it's easy to find them online, repurchase if you find a style you really like. There's no style name for this one. It's like an almond matte oxblood color, and it's a medium length. So I have used this set before a few times. It does come with its own nail glue and adhesive for the nails. However, I just prefer to use my own nail glue because I feel like it's a better quality one. If you are going to reuse nails, this is what they would look like. They have a little glue dried in them. And then this is what they would look like new. So since I've already worn these nails, I know that they're a great shape for me. I can quickly find which nails they fit because I've worn them before. But if you look closely, every single nail has a little number underneath it. So you can easily match up, like knowing this is a number 5, for instance. If your middle finger is a 5, go ahead and find the other 5 and line that up and get it ready to place on your actual nails. Big ones, you know, like the zeros are sometimes too big for my nail bed, so I will eliminate those. This pack contains 28 nails, but over time you're gonna use them, break them, and you'll have less and less as time goes on. So you might have to compromise and wear something too big to accommodate those lost nails. So I'm gonna do maybe a 1 for my thumbs. So we're gonna go ahead and line those up. I'm grabbing some of the smaller nails. I know that like the smaller one I like to wear on my pinky, and it's got some dried on glue on it. So I'll just clean up the edges a little bit. These sets also come with like a little nail file in case you need to clean up any edges. And anything I'm not gonna wear, I'm just gonna put back in the box. My nails are lined up here. So taking my glue, I like to start from the outer in, leaving the thumbs for last, and alternating hands. So we're gonna take our first pinky. This is a size 12. Pop on just literally a drop of glue, no more. And if you need to, you can take a stick and kind of blend it around. We're just going straight in. I'm gonna press down and like hold for like 10 seconds. Now this nail is slightly bigger than my nail bed, but from afar it looks okay. But if you look up close, you can notice that it's a little too big for my finger. And voila. Going into our other pinky, you can see this one's been used. So pinkies are done. We're gonna move into the rest of the nails. Et voila, nails are looking pretty good. You can see some of the glue. Try not to get this glue on your skin. It really leaves your skin feeling pretty nasty. My thumb here has a little bit and it's a little bit textured, but here is the finished result. So once you get the hang of using the glue and understanding the sizing, you can do this routine in like 5-10 minutes tops. I can do it really quick and be out the door. Sometimes I do this in the car, and I just love how These nails complement this cranberry makeup we've got going on. So definitely hit the video with a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below. I'm currently doing Vlogmas, doing daily uploads every single day leading up to Christmas. So be sure to subscribe before you go. Thank you again for watching. All products will be linked down below, and I hope you have a great day.